What is going on, bros? Good morning. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day as always. Shout out to the guy mowing the lawn. But before we get into the video, my name is Danny. This is my beautiful 370Z, and we make some pretty awesome videos on this channel. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. This video is really gonna get a lot of hate. But bros, before we start, there's a cold start on a 2009 straight pipe Nissan 370Z. So I bet you guys are wondering why am I making a video like this. Well, as you guys know, I drive a manual. I really promote the manual. I made like 3 videos ago, I made like a why I showed the manual over an automatic video. And I feel like I shouldn't really just look at the good side of driving a manual. So I thought of 5 really good reasons of why it's annoying to drive a manual 370Z or any car, and why you kind of shouldn't buy a manual. But no matter how true my points might be, and if you guys agree with me, manual is always the answer. Alright bros, let me get this out of the way because it might really annoy some of you. And let's get right to it. The first reason is, bros, the manual isn't really as fast anymore. I mean, back then you buy a manual because it's faster. Obviously it's more fun, but mainly because it was faster. You could shift the gears, you could do everything, right? Well, nowadays, in the 21st century, 2018, all these amazing 700 horsepower cars are coming out, and they're mainly all automatic. And the shifting time nowadays, guys, it's way faster than the manual. I mean, in automatic nowadays, you can just put in manual, which is something else I'm going to talk about, and you're literally shifting. Like, you go like this, the car's already shifting, instead of clutch in, gear, and then clutch out and accelerate. You're literally accelerating while just a tap of your finger, or up here plus and minus. Not that it sucks, but back then compared to now, I mean, if you drove a manual, it's because you wanted the faster version of the car, and you were just a hardcore car guy, and automatic just wasn't as fast at all. I mean, it took forever to shift. There were no paddle shifters. The only thing that there were like the plus and minus, which was only the single clutch or something like that. Now they have like dual clutch that shifts even before you plan on shifting. It's already preparing to shift for you, and it's just insane. When you're gonna race, like let's say I race an automatic 370Z right now, we're both the same mods, he's most likely gonna beat me. So that's kind of annoying, but that's completely fine. Let's get on to number 2. So this reason we're gonna talk about next is mainly a first world problems, and it doesn't really bother me, but from time to time it does get annoying, guys. I don't care what type of car guy you are. I don't care if you're like a die-hard car guy and you just, I don't know, this reason does annoy you. I know it. So if you're saying it doesn't annoy you, stop lying to yourself. Thankfully, guys, I live in Naples, Florida. It's a small little town, so I mean there's not that many people, but when people visit from the north, it gets crazy down here. When you're driving a manual transmission in stop and go traffic, guys, honestly, it's just annoying. Like, it's actually annoying. Unless you're in an amazing mood, then you're not really gonna care. But if you're like in a normal mood or just mad, oh, if you're mad, it's gonna be even worse. And my clutch is so heavy, guys. I've never felt a clutch this heavy. Like, I'm not exaggerating, guys. This clutch is next level. So I mean, when you have to like put the clutch in, let it out, put the clutch in, let it out, it gets annoying. Manual. So we've been talking for way too long. You guys are probably bored. So let me show you guys why driving the manual is the way to go. So now on to more of the mechanical and expensive side. So although buying a manual transmission is cheaper than buying an automatic, the manual transmission, obviously you gotta worry about the clutch, which an automatic does have a clutch, but you don't have to worry about that at all. You're most likely gonna have to switch the clutch once in your vehicle lifetime, so that's like $800 to $1,000 more than you wouldn't really have to spend on an automatic. So thankfully for me though, I've driven this car pretty good, so even when I started driving and learning how to drive stick, I'd rather stall than burn my clutch. But yeah, manual transmissions, I feel like more can go wrong. I mean, your clutch can go, your slave cylinder can go, your master cylinder can go. Just little things like that, that in an automatic, you're not really gonna worry about any of that. That's a pretty nice BRZ. Automatic transmission, bros, you basically have the best of both worlds. I hate to say it, but the paddle shifting is technically a manual, because I mean, you're shifting, you're controlling the car. And it's literally quicker, like I already said before, than the manual. Oh my god, I just scraped so hard. You can go from driving automatic to driving manual in a split of a second without even worrying about a clutch or anything. You're literally just shifting, and it's pretty awesome. So it is pretty awesome how far we've come and everything that we're able to do with technology. So for the last reason on this list, bros, I am going to say that we are tempted to go more fast. Just because the car's more fun, you feel more engaged. Like your favorite song comes up, you're like going crazy, you just want to go fast. You downshift, you go, you upshift, you keep going. Next thing you know, you're like hitting 3 digits. And yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm definitely not speaking from experience. Yeah guys, even if manual does make you more responsible, I have to admit that since you're more engaged with the car and you can shift and you put the clutch in, you shift and you feel cool and just more engaged and excited, it does make you want to go faster. Not all the time, obviously not all the time, but I would honestly say definitely more than the automatic. Bros, that was a really painful video to make. Also can't be biased, and you also got to look at the bad things and just look at everything from different perspectives. I'm not even gonna say what most people would say of, oh, I said all this but I still love my manual transmission. You guys should already know that I love my manual transmission. I mean, I literally stuck by this. Even though everything was against me, I still got a manual. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw in a bonus that you guys are really gonna agree with. So this is what I was talking about, bros. I don't know if you guys can agree with me, but the manual transmission makes so much more noise than the automatic. Let me know if you agree with me, but I've driven an automatic 370Z and then I've gotten in my car, and the noises that a manual makes is just insane. There's a lot more noises in the car, which could be a bad thing, also could be a good thing. Depends how you look at it. So bros, this is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Even though I talk bad about the manual, I mean, honestly, we have to look at it in both ways, guys. So let's get to something I have to talk about with you, bros. So if you're watching this video the exact same day I uploaded, which is Wednesday, July 18th. I am filming this video, I'm editing this video, and I'm uploading this video the exact same day. I basically never do this, but I have to because I'm basically leaving the country today. I know you guys are sad, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm leaving today, Wednesday at 12 at midnight. I'm going to Miami, to the Miami airport, and I'm actually going to Cuba for a week, so I know it's pretty sad. I'm gonna miss you guys. So bros, I'm gonna be gone from the 19th until the 26th of this month. So you won't see me for a week. I obviously, as many of you know, there's no internet in Cuba, there's nothing. I know it sucks. I mean, I'm barely on social media, but I mainly wanted to let you guys know because after the 19th, like in the morning, I'm already gonna be in Cuba. So if you guys comment on this video and I don't reply, you see that I don't reply. Obviously, you guys know I always reply all your comments. I read everything always. If you guys see that your DMs on Instagram to me, by the way, follow me on Instagram, link right here. If you DM me and I don't reply, obviously I'm not ignoring you. I have no service, no internet. I'm in Cuba, so man, I'm gonna miss you guys. Back then I used to upload once a week, so I mean you guys won't really tell the difference, but this past week I uploaded a lot. Don't worry bros, when I'm back I'm gonna be uploading a bunch for you guys, giving you guys content. And honestly my eyes are getting watery because I don't know, when I get excited my eyes get watery. Bros, when I get back I have a video that I can literally say it's one of my dreams coming true. It's gonna be such an amazing video. Alright, so it's a car and it's one of my dream cars. You guys know that, actually no, it's one of my dream builds for this car. I basically just gave away what I'm doing, but yeah guys, it's gonna be insane. If you want to guess down below, go ahead and guess. But literally I'm coming back from Cuba Thursday and I'm filming the video that Sunday with the person. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait guys. I don't want to jinx it, honestly. This is gonna be a dream come true. This is gonna be so amazing. If you guys think you know what it is, comment down below. But alright guys, with that said, this video is basically over. I know it sucks. If you guys haven't already, share with your friends, leave a thumbs up on this video, let me know what you thought about this video. If you hated me after this video, hopefully not. Let's get this channel to a lot of subscribers when I come back and I open up YouTube. I want to see that we actually did a good job, so share with everybody guys, subscribe if you haven't already. Just give this channel a lot of love. I try my best for you guys and I really give it my everything. Every single video you're gonna see, I always hours editing. I want the best for you guys. Okay, anyways, I gotta go guys. I really have to edit this and back and everything.
So called life was made up by people who know smart.
Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time.